So in this video, we'll learn how to take the measurement for 3-panel sliding door. And the products suitable to install are double magnet type, rainbow fold double open type, M50 sliding type, and also Mosquito sliding type. First, let's take a look on how to measure magnet. So normally, for the sliding doors, there's grill door installed. So the only place that the magnet can be installed is on top of the grill. Now, we will divide the netting for this area, into 3 pieces. 1 piece for 1 panel of grill. Now check the quality of the grill. If it is metal, then we will only need to use single magnet. If not, we will need to use a double magnet. For double magnet, a layer of magnet is needed to stick on the iron grill first, and then the magnetic mosquito net will be able to attach to the layer of the magnet we already stick to the frame. Next, to open the small window to access sliding door latch, which is here, confirm with the owner of the height of the small window opening and take the measurement. Alright, we will take the measurement from above the latch, to the end of the frame, and also the bottom of the latch until the end of the frame, and also the width of the small opening window, from the end until this bar. Alright, you can see we will almost take the measurement according to the iron grill, so that when it is installed, it will look much nicer. And then let the owner know that the only netting type is fiber. Select the frame color that matches the existing frame. Check if there's any place that need to be sealed, especially bottom, and also the side of the grill, and communicate the need to seal with owner. Remember, after taking all the measurements, write it down. Taking all the measurement, write it down. Now let's take a look on how to measure rainbow fold. Now there's 2 methods to install. The first method is to install within the glass frame, so it will look same level from the side. We need to install inside the frame. As you can see here, there's a space, but make sure this piece is not movable, and it's fixed. If it is movable, we need to install on top of the frame. So as in this case, this one is fixed and not movable, so we are able to install here, within the frame. Now take the measurement from the inner frame of the sliding door. Let the owner know that only type for this netting is polyester. Select the frame color that matches the existing frame, in this case black color. Let the owner know that any other color than white, there will be an extra powder coating fee. Let the owner know that there is an extruding bottom rail. Be careful when walking through the door. This is the method number 2, which is to install external from the glass frame. Meaning that we will install on top of here, and the whole frame. Let the owner know that the only netting type is polyester. Select the frame color that matches the existing frame. Let the owner know that any other color than white will incur an extra powder coating fee, and let the owner know that there's an extruding bottom rail. Now, as you can see here, this on the left hand side is fixed. So this one is how we install within the frame. This one is which we install extruding the frame. As you can see here, we install on top of the frame, but in this case it is still within the side, within the frame, everything. Now let's take a look on how to measure M50 and also Mosquito. Now decide if you want to cover 3 panel or 2 panel. Decide if you want to cover the full panel or only the 2 opening panels. Now mostly M50 will cover only 2 panels, but for Mosquito we'll cover the full one. Now for 2 panels, we can do 2 panel 2 railways or 2 panel 1 railway. The measurement method is the same for both as well as 3 panels. Now, What is a two-panel two-railway? A two-panel two-railway enables the owner, okay, to close the net fully to the left, just as how this sliding glass panel will do, okay? It closes all the way to the end, okay? That is the reason why we need two railway. Now, if two panel within one railway, which what we call two panel one railway, imagine one railway they have two panels. So open until the end, the only space for the owner to walk through is one panel. So communicate this with the owner, okay, and see which type they want. Now write down how many panels of glass and which type owner prefer, okay. Take measurement as the red arrow for the width. Now we take two measurement for the width, okay, which is W1 for the full width and W2 from the end overlapping the fixed panel sliding door. Okay, take three measurements as the red arrow for the height and note down the shortest. So when installed, it can fit in. Okay, take these three measurements. Okay, because sometimes that is not even. Okay, as the floor is not even built by the developer. Now measure from the bottom to align with existing grill and take the most middle height as a center. Okay, as this sliding door panel is high, we'll need to take the most middle measurement for the center bar. Alright, if there is an iron grill, we'll need to match the height of the iron grill. Now after that, note it down. This is the one we are talking about, the center bar. Okay, from the bottom until the center of the grill door. Okay, and remember to align it with the grill door and take note of that. Let the owner know the choice of the netting is polyester, steel or hard net for M50, and the netting choice for Mosquito is only hard net. Select frame color that match the existing frame. Let the owner know that any other color than white, okay, there will be an extra powder coating fee. Now special case, there will be sometimes we need to add hollow or angle when the wall is extrude out. Communicate with owner. Alright, for this case it's okay. As you can see, the sliding door is same level, okay, with the wall. Sometimes the wall will extrude out, meaning that this sliding panel will go more inside. So when we install, we'll need to install additional hollow, okay, for it to extrude out. As you can see here, this is the two panel two railway, okay, which we can able to open fully, okay, until the end and give the maximum space for the owner to walk in and walk out. Okay, as you can see here, this one as well, two panel two railway, so that the owner when it open can open all the way. Okay, so there you have it. This is how we measure the three panel sliding door, and I'll see you on the next video.